scary, aren't I? Hello internet, hello YouTube, how you doing? Hope your day is going well. Mine is going fantastically. Today we're going to be opening up February 2020 Sephora Play Beauty Box. This is a monthly subscription, runs $10 a month. Yep, that's right. With all these other beauty boxes starting at $15 all the way up to $50 a month, I mean, $10 is a steal. And yes, I'm still gonna keep getting it until the price goes up. And with Sephora Play, they actually include 6 sample size products. Top beauty brands, and they usually do cover the typical range of beauty products in a beauty box that you would normally find. So skincare, hair care, makeup, and fragrance. And they have an estimated value of up to $65. Not over, so anywhere from 0 to 65 is how much you're gonna get. Before I go any further, don't forget to tap that thumbs up button to show that you like me. You really, really like me. And hit that subscribe button. That way you get to see some more of me. And if you missed my last video about the brand new Sugar Pill palette, I'll put that right there for you, so you can watch it at your leisure. Let's go back in time and see what I got included in my box. So opening up the box, and you get a pamphlet. Usually there's a theme, so all the products included would be tied to that theme. The Anatomy of a Beauty Lover's Heart. Cute. And on the back of it, it has pictures of all the items included in the box, little tips as to how to use the product. This is a first. It actually has highlights of the ingredients in the products, which I think this is the first time I've actually come across that. And no price as usual. So I'm actually going to end up looking up the pricing online, and I'll put a pop-up right here for you so you know where the price is. I don't know why I did that. It's the same in all my videos. I think this is what, like an indigo? It's a really deep blue. And at the back it says Miniature Beauty Major Satisfaction. You can press and seal it. So if you're traveling, nice little bag for your shower products or makeup. Anything you don't want to spill, this bag would probably be ideal for that. The first thing I have in the box is Clinique. And this is Blackhead Solution. And it's a 7-day deep pore cleanse and scrub. An exfoliating cleanser that gives deep love to your pores so you can say goodbye to blackheads. For a thorough cleanse, apply a thin layer over skin and leave on for 5 minutes and then rinse off. I got pores. I don't know if I've mentioned that before. My pores are huge, freaking crazy. So I have to keep up on them, otherwise they clog up like crazy. And I'd be like a freaking chemical waste farm of acne. So I'm very, very happy to see this. And this has salicylic acid acne medication for all skin types. Full size of this is 4.2 ounces and runs $24. Sample size that I got here is 0.5 ounces, $2.85. Pop this open and see what it looks like. It smells like a facial wash. It doesn't smell bad. Has like a blue hue to it. Do I want to put it on as a mask? Boo! I was actually going to use it just as a cleanser, but then I started applying it and I was like, oh look, it's like crazy thick. Just going to use this as a 5-minute mask. It's like so heavy over here. I don't know why I did that. So it's been 5 minutes. It's dried down. There's no tingling, no sensation. It's just fine. Hopefully, the only thing that concerns me is that it might have a white cast once I rinse it off, but we shall see, right? I washed my face. As you can see, it did leave a white cast behind. It doesn't say anything else other than rinsing. Really don't. I'm not a fan of that. My face is dry, but it doesn't, I can't say it did anything out of the ordinary for me. My face is clean, but I would like a little bit more. Yeah, as a mask, I wasn't a fan. Probably just stick with using it as a cleanser and a scrub. Fresh, and this is a Lotus Youth Preserve Moisturizer with multi-action Super Lotus. Okay. And I looked online at Sephora. I guess this is actually a new product, new to Sephora anyway. This hydrating cream combats dryness. Yes, yes, yes. My face is dry, really dry right now. Dullness and uneven texture. Plus, it delivers a young and in love glow. Really? This moisturizer is gonna make me look young and in love. It includes lotus root extract, which fights first signs of aging, and maca root extract, which delivers lasting moisture for luminous skin. It does smell like flowers. I'm not really sure I know what a lotus smells like, so I can't compare it to that, but it does have a floral scent to it. It's pretty thick. Do I look young and in love? What do you think? Looks like moisturizer to me. I don't know about that young and in love business, but it is a moisturizer. My skin feels a lot better. It absorbs really quickly. The moisturizer you can actually get in 2 different sizes. There is a standard size. This is 1.6 ounces and it's $48. So this is not a cheap one. They do also have a mini size, which is 0.5 ounces, and that's $19. This little sample that I got is 0.23 ounces, $9. Whoa, this is really tiny for $9. Wow, dude. $9 for realsies? $8.74. Yeah, $9 for this. Pretty expensive $9 for just a moisturizer. But I guess it makes you look young and in love. I didn't know I looked old and... What's the opposite of in love? Old and crotchety. Product from Verb. I've gotten products from Verb before. They usually come in the beauty boxes. And this is called Ghost Oil. The packaging looks pretty awesome. This hydrating oil is willing to put in the time and effort your hair deserves to minimize frizz and deliver a lasting shine. The ingredients are moringa seed oil, which moisturizes, detangles, and smooths. Bamboo extract, which strengthens and retains hydration. Argan oil, which enhances hair's natural elasticity. There's a whole lot more ingredients. This is very interesting that this Sephora does this now, where they highlight the ingredients in there. I'm usually not a fan of hair products from beauty boxes, but this Ghost Oil, I'm willing to give it a go. Unfortunately, there's no option to just eliminate hair care from a lot of the beauty boxes, so you just have to do what you do. Kat Von D setting powder. 2 months in a row for the KVD brand, because last month I got the tattoo liner and now I have the setting powder, so that's really different. I went literally almost a year with that. I don't think I've ever gotten a Kat Von D product I've never gotten a Kat Von D product before, and now 2 months in a row. Interesting, all of a sudden she sells her company and now her products are included in beauty boxes. So they also have it listed under Kat Von D Beauty instead of KVD Vegan Beauty, which is what the new name of the company is. So that's interesting too. On the website though, when you click the link, it does say KVD Vegan Beauty. Maybe the flyer was printed before the company name change, possibly. Or someone made a mistake. One or the other. And it's a translucent setting powder. And I'm just going to use my brush, because it's a nice little angled brush to put it on. Sure, you're not supposed to do it like this, but that's what we're working with. Less to clean, people. It is powdery. Very workable powder. This setting powder has a weightless formula that'll leave your complexion shine free, so it's safe to say it's a keeper. Definitely not shiny, but I wasn't really shiny before, so there's that. Need to know brand. Always 100% vegan and cruelty-free, Kat Von D Beauty has established a mission to deliver mindful beauty without compromising quality. The full size of this is 0.67 ounces and runs $31. There is a smaller size for 0.19 ounces and that runs $16. This 0.049 ounces. They're just getting smaller and smaller and smaller. So this is 0.049. So I would say roughly about $4.12 by my calculations. We have another Clinique product. Almost lipstick in black honey. I have seen this particular lipstick floating around on the internet. Been curious to try it. I think it's a part of the whole no makeup look, which I think is really freaking weird. I do think they picked the right shade. Perfect for me. Hopefully. I say perfect, but who knows. Look at that. That is what she looks like. She looks really pretty. With a sheer tint of plum and a moisture-rich formula, this lipstick is sure to be love at first swipe. Oh yeah, it's really sheer, so it's like barely a color. Well, I do have lip balm on, so this should just go ahead right on. Yeah, I can see like a slight difference. It's not a bad difference though. I really like it. It's like a slight deepening of the color that's already there. I'm good. I like it. Nice. Thanks, Sephora. I'm a fan of this one. I'm definitely a fan of this. It's 0.07 ounces for $19. I couldn't tell you what this is. It doesn't say what the size is, and it's so freaking small. Lettering is so small, I couldn't tell. So, yeah. Purity Made Simple, and this is by Philosophy. For some reason, I keep thinking that I've got this before. I've definitely tried it before. I don't know if I've gotten it in a beauty box, but I've definitely tried a sample of this. And it's a 3-in-1 cleanser for face and eyes. I'm not ready to take my makeup off, so I'm not use it, but it does work. It works fine. It's a great cleanser. Standard size of this is 8 ounces and runs $24. There are various sizes that are larger and smaller, so you can always check it out at the Sephora website if you're interested. A gentle facial cleanser that tones and hydrates, leaving skin clean and balanced. Meadow Foam Seed Oil helps lock in moisture, and rosewood oil soothes and softens. The size I got was 1 fluid ounce. So this would be roughly about, what, $3? That's so crazy to me, but hey, I'm not the one that makes the prices. But that's it. That's the video. Have a good one. Bye.